Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mamus Ate. Today's video is about eyeshadow makeup tutorial. Oftentimes I know a lot of you struggle with eyeshadow application, blending eyeshadow smoothly. If that is you, then keep watching. Do well to like this video so YouTube can push my content, and please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my weekly juicy upload. I started off by using a brow tamer to keep the eyebrows, the hair on the brows in place, and then while I'm waiting for that to dry properly, I went in with my eyeshadow primer, and this eyeshadow base is from the Benign Clown. To achieve a smooth eyeshadow base, you need to apply an eyeshadow primer or an eyeshadow base. This helps to keep your eyeshadow in place all day. And then I did not just use the brush directly on the primer. I applied a little bit of the primer at the back of my hand, and I'm just going to take from there and blend on the other eyes. And then you want to make sure that you blend that properly before applying anything called eyeshadow. Okay, you need to blend that properly to avoid any breaking of eyeshadow. And then I use this Queen Cover Gear powder. That's a bronzer. I like to use that bronzer on the eye crease. Okay, as you can see, I applied a bit of the powder at the bridge of the nose upward, and I'm just blending that as my transition color. I love this highlight. I love this bronzer also because there's a little bit of small shimmers in it, so it gives it a very beautiful effect. And I'm going in with this Nigerian brown eyeshadow from the Mino Beauty, and I'm just going to place that. As you can see, you place the product first. Place the product first before you blend. Place the product first. Okay, place it gently. And for your eyeshadow application, you actually need a fluffy brush. You need a fluffy brush, you need a soft brush, you need a blending brush, you need a human hair brush. These are the secrets to a flawless, well blended based eyeshadow. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to start my eyeshadow application from the outer corner of the eyes. Okay, remember the first thing I did was first of all to define the eye crease before going to the outer corner of the eyes. I'll place all the eyeshadow where I want it to be. When I'm done with placing, then I go into blending. Then again, I added a little twist. I added a black eyeshadow from the Blossom eyeshadow palette, also in Nigerian brand. I added a black eyeshadow at the lid of the eye, and then I took that also to the outer corner of the eyes. Okay, I wasn't just okay with the matte brown. That's the thing about eyeshadow. When blending eyeshadow, just make sure that it's given what is meant to give. Okay, if you're not okay with one color, go in with another transition color. Like this eyeshadow you're seeing now, I started with my bronzer, which is the Queen Cover Gear, and then I went in with a brown matte eyeshadow, and now I'm going in with black. And when I'm done, you won't even see where any color is starting from or where they are ending. Why? You just need to blend. Like I said initially, I like to place the product first before blending, so that when I'm done blending, everything will just marry themselves. Okay, look at these eyes. Check out those eyes. They are giving what they are meant to give. Okay, there is no way you are going to carry this kind of eye and you ask that bobo for money and he will not give you. Forget. At this point, I don't even know where the eyeshadow they carry me they go, but I know say they carry me they go, I don't know where they carry me they go. See eyes now, baby girl. Wow, I beg, keep blending. Anyways, and so for the water eye, which is called the eyeliner, this is supposed to be an eyeliner, so I'm using a eyeliner pencil. Okay, on the waterline. Oftentimes people ask, what's this called? This part of your eyes is called the waterline. You know, when you cry, this is where water starts flowing from. Okay, check out, just check out this blending to the outer corner of the eyes. Just know that for eyeshadow application, blending is key. Blending is important. And then if you don't want your client or your bride, or you don't want to start crying or tearing up, make sure you place your index finger under the eyes and just drag down a little while you apply any product on your waterliner. Okay, just do that carefully so that your client don't start crying. And then I went in with my Mirac black pencil to just darken the eyes, and then I also went in with this Zaron mascara to apply on the lash line. I like to do this first before I apply what's it called, eyelash. Yes, I like to use a mascara, a black mascara, to first of all darken the normal natural human lashes that you have, and I will allow that to dry before I place any false eyelash. And when I'm done with eyelash placing, I go in with a gel liner to just line it. Over the years, I've been a fan of Zaron gel liner until last year that I tried out this Tehila gel liner. Man, this is a perfect dupe for your iglot liner. See, if you've been buying iglot liner, just go and get this Tehila gel liner and thank me later. If you've used it before, let me know in the comment section. So when I was done with that, I went in with my highlighter, and this highlighter is from Fenty Beauty. I used two shades. I used the how many carats. The first was how many carats, and this is Cognac Candy, to apply on our cheek. Okay, we need the glow. Yeah, we need the face to glow. And then another reason why I also use this highlighter is because I love the fact that it's very soft on the skin, very blendable, very pigmented, and soft sweet on the skin, and it blends easily because I'm going to apply this highlighter on our eyeshadow, yeah, on our brow bone, which is the highest point of our brows, just a little there, just to create a shiny illusion. Okay, and this just gave the eyeshadow, it took the eyeshadow to another level. And then I went in with the same highlighter on the tear dot. There's something about tear dot, especially for those with smaller eyes. You need to apply an highlighter on the tear dot. It makes the eyes to pop, you know. Look me now, you open your eyes, look me, look into my eyes, tell me, what do you see? I see a beautiful dark brown smoky eyes with a touch of black on the outer lid and on the eyelid. Okay, anyway guys, it's time for lips. For lips, I went in with my one and only Beauty by Jones in the shade Mamus. Okay, this 2024, just make sure that you go and find this brand called Beauty by Jones and you buy this particular shade that is in my name, Mamus. This shade goes in for everything. You can use it on your brows, you can use it on your contour, you can use it as your eyeshadow, and then you can see I'm using it as a lip liner. Tell me, how many things did I just mention? Now this particular shade is a multi-purpose lip liner. It's something you need. Okay,
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
And yes, I needed that kiss. Yes, she saw herself, she loved her look, and that kiss was actually needed. So I went in with my FBH is a Nigerian brand. This one sweat proof. This lock all your makeup and your makeup is moving away. Check out that blinding glow. See, man, just to think that I achieved this look using only Nigerian brands. And that's it, guys. We've come to the end of today's eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed every tips and techniques of how to blend your eyeshadow. Do well to subscribe and like this video. Comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye, guys.